Find the best beer pong tables at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 9 best beer pong tables on the market. 9 8-foot professional beer pong table with LED glow lights and optional cup holes, bubbles and color spectrum additions. The optional cup holes and LED lights make this model a lot more attractive, as these features help the buyer to take a decision to buy it very easy. These are durable due to their strong built material used and can be easily cleaned if any mess is caused during the play, though chances of it happening are very less due to the cup holes on the table. This also comes with 6 pong balls in a rack. 8. Red Cup Pong American Flag Beer Pong Table 8-inch. The table has an American flag design on its surface, and it is made of very light aluminum, which keeps the overall weight of the table in check. Additionally, the package comes with a bottle opener and 6 pong balls with the rack. This 8-inch long table can also be folded into a compact size and then can be easily transported. 7 8-inch folding beer pong table with ball rack, bottle opener, and 6 beer pong balls. Sistine design from Red Cup Pong. The uniqueness of the table lies in the fact that it comes with a rack for balls, around 6 pong balls, a bottle opener, and the designs for the tabletop are in high definition. It can also be made into a briefcase with a handle, which makes it portable. The lightweightedness and the well-built material are some of its features. 6. GoPong Pro Premium Beer Pong Table, 8-foot heavy-duty set, black, 36-inch tall. Introduced with the height of 36 inches, which brings this table to waist high of the player and is comparatively taller than other tables. Its crisscross legs make it more stable while playing. The quality of the built material is very good, which makes it last longer than other game tables. The good height of the table steals the show here and makes it a better purchase than others. 5 8 Portable Beer Pong Table with Foldable Outdoor Compatible Game Set. For outdoor parties, this table is a big hit because its top is covered with melamine, which can save it from any damage caused by sunlight and beer spilling during the game. The build is quite strong, which makes it all the more exciting to use. It is easy to fold, lightweight, height is also adjustable and can be carried anywhere. 4 8-foot beer pong table with LED color changing glow lights and optional cup holes. This model comes with around 20 different colors and light modes, along with alterable speed and brightness. It can be set up very easily and is portable. Cleaning this table is not much madness, as the tabletop material is not water absorbent. Although many table designs are available in this American flag print on the surface with LED lights is a deal breaker, which is definitely soaring the sale of this table. 3. Beer pong table easily foldable with adjustable height options. One of the best features of this table is that its height is adjustable. Another characteristic that adds to its glamour is that it can be personalized by choosing from different designs that company offers for the tabletop. Due to its lightweight and foldable trait, it is easy to carry anywhere you wish to. 2 8-foot beer pong table with dry erase surface, LED lights, optional cup holes and more. This table comes with a little towel to dry any spillage during the game. Also, the cup holes in the table are really convenient, as it eliminates the need to make any prior triangular arrangement with the cups. Another feature that makes this product attractive are the LED lights on the edges of the table that adds to the essence of the game. The quality of the table is good, and it's strongly built. 1. GoPong 8-foot tailgate portable table / beer pong. This table is available in 3 different designs: black, football, and with an American flag. The most famous amongst these is the one with the American flag printed on the top, which gives the table very rich look. Also, this print has some additional charges. It is foldable, which makes it easier to carry anywhere you wish to, and comes with 6 pong balls with holder. Long story short, all these products have a variety of features to offer to all kinds of buyers in the market. Keep your requirements in mind and select the beer pong table available that suits you the most. Here, we have shortlisted the best ones for you to make your selection a bit easier. Majority of them are foldable in 4 sections, which make them easy to carry if you want to take it to a pool party or want to gift it to a friend. These are easy to clean, lightweight, and comes in with goodies too. So, include a little glitter and glamour to your parties with some LED-lighted game tables along with some light music, and let the game begin.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.